video, we're about to unleash the true power of AI with 10 ways to have a blast with ChatGPT. From creating delicious recipes to playing games, ChatGPT is here to fuel your creativity and ignite your sense of adventure. Get ready to explore the fun side of ChatGPT like never before. Number 1. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a social media bio. I asked ChatGPT to give me some Instagram bio ideas about pop music. It not only gives you some fun, catchy phrases, but it also gives you emojis that go along with them. Number 2. ChatGPT is great at coming up with recipes. You can put specific details into your prompt to get a recipe that is just right for you. For example, I told ChatGPT to write a recipe with chicken, rice, and artichokes that doesn't require an oven. I also said I live in Hawaii and want to cook something using ingredients I can find there. ChatGPT gave me a delicious recipe that can be prepared in a skillet or pan. Number 3. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas. I asked ChatGPT for creative ideas for a 13-year-old girl's birthday party in November. By putting the girl's age and the time of year, ChatGPT gave me a bunch of personalized ideas. Making your prompt specific can help ChatGPT quickly come up with what you're looking for and give you the best results. Number 4. Most of us dread having to create the itinerary for a trip, but ChatGPT can make it a lot easier. I asked ChatGPT to create a detailed itinerary for a trip to Paris, and it gave me a bunch of popular places to go to. With ChatGPT, you'll be able to have a stress-free trip. Number 5. ChatGPT can help create a list of items for you, whether you're going to the grocery store or on a vacation. I asked ChatGPT to create a packing list for a 3-day trip to the beach and told it the weather. As you can see, ChatGPT provides me with a list of clothing, beach essentials, toiletries, accessories, and other items that you can bring to the beach. Number 6. This prompt is perfect for those of you that are looking to be more active. You can ask ChatGPT to make an exercise plan. Once again, being specific is so important. You can put your age, gender, weight, and any physical limitations you have to get an exercise plan that is just right and tailored to your needs. Number 7. This hack is a game changer and so time-saving. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize a book or article. I'm going to use an article about horses from Live Science and summarize it in 5 sentences. Like you can see here, ChatGPT picks out the most important information and breaks the article down for me to create a summary. Number 8. Did you know that you can play games with ChatGPT? If you ask ChatGPT to play TicTacToe, it will create a board using numbers 1 through 9 and let you make a move by telling it which number you want to place an X or O on. Here's what a tic-tac-toe game will look like. Number 9. While we're on the topic, ChatGPT can also play trivia games. I told ChatGPT to play a trivia game with me and asked it to give me 5 questions related to water. Then I told it to tell me if my answers are correct. And last but not least, number 10, you can ask ChatGPT to write some really cool stories. I asked ChatGPT to make a short story about a girl who has discovered that she has magic powers. The story that ChatGPT wrote was really interesting to read. As we come to the end of this YouTube video, I hope you're feeling inspired and eager to embark on your own journey of fun and discovery. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know which hack was the most interesting. With ChatGPT by your side, the world of imagination and creativity is at your fingertips. So gather your friends, embrace your curiosity, and let the magic of ChatGPT ignite your imagination as you dive into a world of endless possibilities. Remember, the only limit is your creativity.